Okay, hello guys, another video.
Another episode.
We'll be opening a banana URL paper. Euro 2024. Mashallah. Okay. Okay, flip it around. Okay, guys. I can't see it yet.
Okay.
Neymar. Okay. I haven't seen yet. So,
And then this guy.
I got Zoe!
Ano ba?
I got this guy.
Oo nga pala.
Casemiro. Virgil van Dijk. Van Chico. The best goalkeeper in the world.
Ronaldo.
Ain't no way.
These two people.
These.
And even the Budowski.
Donnarumma.
Huh?
Donnarumma. I think so. Yeah, you are the one. This guy. The black little man. Harry Kane. Harry Kane.
What is the most of your attacks? Like the best attacker? Like in your years. The best attacker for mine. Who's the best attacker for yours? The best attacker for mine is Neymar. The best defender. Y'all know already who he is. Iwan Dudurowski.
How much attacks?
Attacks for Neymar.
Manuel Neuer. Donnarumma. This guy. Cristiano. That's crazy. First pack, bro.
Wait, let me see
it.
This one's better at defense. This one's better at offense.
Mama, look what I got in my first try.
Oh, tanggalan mo dyan.
No, I choose you. Moses. Lukaku. Mane. Anthony. Harry Kane.
Who's Anthony?
Oh. Anthony, no one. Lewandowski. I wanna try doing attack. Let me try doing a match. Let's try a match. Okay? Here it comes. Okay. Okay.
Don't worry, all you need is Downy Fabric Conditioner. Just 1 full cup with your detergent will keep your bathroom
My best attacker.
super soft.
Doesn't mean about the attack. Means about the defense, bro. Who cares?
I don't have a good defender. All I have, the best defender I have is Levan Dodorowski. Cristiano's not that good for defense or attack.
Are you sure?
For me, for mine.
Yeah, that's
Okay, you place first.
Let me put in.
You place first. Which one do you want first? Which card do you place first?
As of now, may force rate losses na. Wolves, well, isa na sa issue. Mga bro, ang chemistry ng team. Di pa din magkaamo yan. Etong si Randall at Gobert. Buwat sa Clippers, si
He's gonna attack first.
Sa first quarter, target ni David Mel.
He can take it.
Sa total 3.3.
Then he attacks.
Step pa lang ang nakakagawa. And the first quarter,
And this guy wins. Lewandowski wins.
Sa pangunguna yan ni Alexander Walker, mga bro, kanya galing ang 7 points sa 9 to natin.
My turn to attack first.
And after early timeout niya si Tailu. After timeout, talagang inabot ni Mo Bamba kay Rudy Gobert. Nag-extend dyan ang run ng Minnesota at kumabot sa double digit ang hinahabol ng Clippers. Well rested nang ipinasok si Anthony Edwards.
Newell. Huh? Where's Newell?
I don't know.
No,
that's mine.
Mga bro sa Clippers, pondo na sa kanyang 14 points, samahan ng 4 assists.
Do you want first?
Ayaw ng pasahan ni Julius Randle sa ilalim, mga bro, kahit nakakapagsil na.
Man.
Ito si Rudy Gobert. Ito pa isa, mga bro, last 21 seconds.
You were first?
Na lang ang big man, ayaw ng pasahan ni Randle. Though lamang pa din ang Wolves, 53 to 47.
Why do I go first? You're gonna win easily.
No,
That's
it's
not
defense.
fair.
Naman sa puntos ng Clippers, binubuli lang mga bro sa ilalim. Etong si Gobert ni Zubac, kahit sino ata pwedeng ibuli si Gobert.
Yeah, none of mine can do that.
Malagay sa highlight
None
na
of mine can win.
Jones Jr. Di
Okay.
na kompleto kang
Okay.
putback slam dunk. Buti na lang
Why am I first?
Tama-tapos ko na ng
It's not fair.
Wow, ano ito? Ilan? Only one? Ayan, pala.
Okay, yours win. You take both.
Matapos magreklamo sa office,
Ilan ang nagal makuha?
hihingi ng foul sa
How many?
Edwards. After niyan, mga bro, ibinawi na
Neymar.
ni Edwards sa tres.
No,
Ang
no,
nangyari.
no.
Pero eto, mga bro, gandang pick sa Zubac kontra sa 4th Defensive Player of the Year. Ginawang bata sa play na yan.
I already used them.
Umanapan ng 7 to natin run sa
Guess.
kaya pa ba sa 4 ang lamang ng Minnesota, 72 to 68. Fourth quarter, bibihira na nga lang makakatira sa ilalim.
What is it all about? Attack or defense?
I attack first.
So, lamang pa din ng 5 points ang Minnesota. John DiVincenzo, 3
I'm gonna lose them.
Wolves. After ng step back jumper na to ni Kevin Porter Jr. over Rudy Gobert. Nagmintis pa ng 2 crucial free throws, mga bro, si Gobert na
You're gonna win.
Zubac, di man lang napantayan, mga bro. Sa 4.3 na mga bro ni James Harden, lamang na Clippers, 90 to 87. Bro, buti na lang nakaagaw ng bola.
I know, I attack first.
Edwards,
Then,
the lead to 1. Driving down 90 to 89.
if you survive,
Nasundan pa yan, mga bro, ng clutch 3-pointer din ni Anthony Edwards. Lamang ulit ang Wolves, 92
Yep,
to
I
90.
win.
Take over sa crunch time, mga bro. Si
Now,
Edwards,
this time for me on defense.
Minnesota Timberwolves, sa likod ng 20.
Kemba Walker. Looks like Kemba Walker.
Oh,
Kemba Walker.
He's Lukaku. Let me fix my cards, please. Okay, is it defense now?
For me, undefended.
How about me?
You attack.
kaya pagod nga cellphone ko dali. Kaya, kaya na cellphone dali. I'll go online check in. Dali, yun. Danda ka, yan. Tatapon na naman yan. Lagyan mo kasi table sa mga Tara.
Francis Lopez, who played well
Ay, pag
in
nasa
that
pa.
round 2 game, he was the player of the game. And he had 20 points. Continues to misfire. Advance in the hands of Torres and see if he gives it up to
Hindi ko naman pwede. Ito ako ko.
down to 5.
Hindi pa 3 hours.
JD pulls up from deep.
Now you can have this.
Nothing there.
Pero yun.
I want to return back to my room.
Okay, bye. Whew. Now we have cards.
Combined, which was at 6. Again, not afraid of QMB inside, challenging, smiling. JD. By color limit. He gives it up. Torres. They go left side. Ortega knocks down the triple.
See you guys next time.
Give them a little bit of breathing room to find some good shots, just like this one.
See you guys next time.
Sino Crisostomo, step on the block.
See you guys next time. Bye.